All right, let's take a look. We do have a fog advisory, dense fog advisory, and that's until 9 a.m. Be careful out there on those roadways. And this morning that goes till 9 o'clock. So just want to take your time. Don't get in a hurry and give yourself a little extra time going to school or work this morning. Out at Morgan's Wonderland Camp, you can see the fog, our sky cam. Yeah, very foggy. It looks like the skies or the fog is improving just a little bit. At the airport, it is definitely foggy and you can't see a thing at Calaveras Lake. All right, so we've got a dense fog advisory for the counties in gray, and that's until 9 o'clock this morning. That's a lot of real estate, and there is a ton of fog out there this morning. Temperature right now 59 degrees. We've actually gone up, and I think the low is already in, and that was 54. That was earlier this morning, and that was above average. Record low 18. We can have those Arctic blasts this time of the year. We've been nowhere near an Arctic blast, but they can happen. 18 degrees, 1957, and the record high is 84. All right, so for today, I think we'll hit the low 70s, and here's the way I think it's going to work. We'll have cloudy skies this morning, of course. Fog, drizzle this morning till around 9 o'clock, and then clouds till around noon, and then after that, slowly seeing the clouds dissipate, partly cloudy skies, maybe even mostly sunny at the end of the day. There are a few high-resolution computer models that say we're cloudy all day. I can't buy that. And then this evening, we'll have clear skies, temperatures in the 60s. All right, we've got a quarter-mile visibility. That's been improving. It was closer to like less than an eighth of a mile earlier. Quarter of a mile at Randolph and Castroville, zero visibility. And look at this. I mean, many locations from the I-35 corridor right towards Hondo and then south and eastward, many locations with some very dense fog, so be careful. All right, 59 degrees, but notice where it's clear. Kerrville, 44, Del Rio's coming in at 46. We've got a warm frontal boundary here that will come through maybe later this afternoon, but the effects are not going to last long because of cold front. This one's going to come close to us. This won't be the big cold front. Another stronger cold front will come in on Sunday, and that's going to really cool things down. So highs today, lower 70s. Dallas-Fort Worth will reach the upper 60s, and really cold across the East Coast and the northern part of the U.S. if your travel plans take you there. All right, so I think we'll see some fog tomorrow morning. We'll have some sun Saturday afternoon. That cold front comes in on Sunday. We cloud up, mostly cloudy on Monday, and then this disturbance here will give us a real slight chance, 10 to 20% chance of a shower on Tuesday. All right, so for today, high temperatures, lower 70s, around 72. All right, pollen count, mold is 360 and light. For Saturday, fog in the morning, at least some fog, 75 for a high. And then Sunday, that cold front comes through cooler. It'll be in the 50s most of the day and breezy. Monday, high 59, so another chilly day. So a couple of chilly days, 65 on Tuesday. And then we really start warming up. And I think the end of next week, all the way through Christmas, unfortunately, is going to be a warm Christmas, it looks like, with a slight chance for some showers.